Well, this holiday weekend, the nation's top health experts are warning you to remain vigilant to stop the spread of COVID-19 by wearing a mask and practicing social distancing. There is some hope that a vaccine could help reduce cases and deaths. But even when one is approved, those effects likely won't happen for quite some time. 10 Tampa Bay's Madison Allworth spoke to a healthcare professional who explains why and what we need to do in the meantime.
Pharmaceutical companies continue to race for a COVID-19 vaccine as cases and deaths in the U.S. climb. Medical professionals like Dr. Anthony Fauci believe we could have one approved sometime this year.
Most of us project that that's going to be by November, December, by the end of the year. Could this be earlier? Sure.
But the fight will not be over when vaccines are approved.
But even if you had a vaccine tomorrow, remember the logistics of producing it, placing it in vials, and then distributing it to high-risk places in the country, and then getting people inoculated, vaccinated, is a huge undertaking.
And many people will not want the vaccine at all.
It's not going to have an immediate effect anyway, because the most recent polls indicate that significant percentages of the population have said they will not take the vaccine because they don't want to be the first in line.
According to a Gallup poll, 35% of Americans would not get a COVID-19 vaccine, even if it were FDA approved and available at no cost. And Jay Wolfson says there are other factors too.
They don't believe in vaccinations, or like me, they're especially high risk because they had a stroke or heart disease or something like that. They're going to wait until it's been tested on somebody else.
Which means that COVID-19 precautions like physical distancing, washing your hands, and wearing a mask could be around for a while longer.
In the meantime, everybody just be careful out there. It's up to you.
And states should be prepping now for an eventual vaccine. The Centers for Disease Control sent a letter to all governors urging them to prepare their states for the distribution of a COVID-19 vaccine by November 1st. And